Hello everyone. Since this is the first time I'm doing a voiceover of one of these devlogs, I figured I'd do a comprehensive overview of all the features of the game at its current state. So Project Warped is going to be a virtual reality Lovecraftian horror action-adventure game. The first feature I want to show off is the interactive objects in the environment. These range from the stationary interactive objects that will be highlighted in white, the items that you can pick up, which are highlighted in green, equipable items are shown in blue, and in the future I'll also have locked items which will be highlighted in red. You pick up items using the trigger on the Vive controllers. Some items can be picked up in stacks. Equipable items such as the gun or the flashlight can be locked to your hand, so you won't have to hold down the trigger button. Equipable items are locked to your hand by clicking the grip button on the controller. These items have a primary function for when you pull the trigger. Many items also have a function for when you click the grip button. When having an item equipped, you can drop it by holding down the grip button. Many items can be combined, such as loading ammunition into a gun or a magazine. Items can be switched from one hand to another. The next feature I want to show is the inventory system. Some items can be stored in stacks, while others can only be stored single. The system supports nested items, such as storing a loaded magazine. You can browse the items using the touchpad on the controller and retrieve them using the trigger or with the grip for equipable items. The next feature is holsters, which allows you to store items on your body. The virtual body rotates based on simple inverse kinematics based on the head rotation and the position of the controllers. Movement is done via teleportation by clicking down on the trackpad. A planned feature is to automatically open or close doors as you pass through them. Another planned feature is stairs and ladders that would allow you to move between stories in a building. The next feature I want to show is the game menu. You can open the menu either in-game or by using the pause button. In-game you retrieve the menu by reaching behind you and pulling out a clipboard. In the pause menu version you are moved to this room with a computer. These menus offer the same features and are controlled as you would expect from a touchscreen. One of the features is reading documents, which are stored in text assets and are automatically split between pages to fit on the menu screens. I have yet to implement how to retrieve and unlock new documents. Another current feature is stationary storage. When closed, these make items unavailable, and they'll turn the player blind if they try to look inside of them. Other features include fire and a very early version of a light management system. The last feature I want to show is the save and load system, which is done via the game menu. This allows you to save item positions, inventory status, as well as holsters. Some upcoming features are the ability to save your current player position, current state of items such as being opened or closed, as well as saving which documents you have unlocked. I'll also be implementing the ability to delete your save files in-game. Thank you very much for your attention. If you'd like more details on the ongoing development of this game, you can subscribe to my channel. I will try and do voice devlogs whenever new big features have been implemented. For smaller updates, new features will be described with text only. Thanks again for watching and have a nice day.